When you think of IELTS, you start preparing for it, but people are often confused that where to start with. Do they need to start with listening, reading, speaking, and writing, or do they need to just take the exam for a reference? So, see, this is an English level test. If your English is already at a level, then it is just checking your level. So, for that, you need to do some things preliminary before starting a course. For example, you have to do your grammar properly or on your comprehension, listening comprehension, reading comprehension. You should be able to read very fast and you should be able to understand that so that you are not consuming a lot of time in reading comprehension. You should start listening regularly, listening all accents, be it British, American, Russian, Australian, all the accents you should be clear about so that you can understand what they are saying. Your basic sentences should be very clear. If you are not very sure about how to create complex sentences, you can work on it later on. But your basic skills should be very clear. After that, you can start any course.